Here is everything I eat in a day to maintain my well-being as a business owner of a holistic center. For breakfast, I am having overnight oats with some berries. Then my lunch is made up of cooked Budo wheat, chopped tomatoes, cucumber and red onions, drizzled with extra virgin olive oil and sprinkled with some salt and chia seeds. And finally, I finish the day with a protein-based rice bowl with chicken breast meat, prawns, brown rice, edamame, spring onions and some pea shoots. It is simply delicious.